In today's fast paced world, taking a moment to connect, collaborate, and give back to the community will have a lasting impact on your team. So, if you're looking for something after dinner or in a transition between sessions, the Kindness Workshop is for you. This 1 to 2 hour event is perfect for teams of 6 to 600. In this activity, teams will decorate t shirts for teddy bears, dress their bears, earn the stuffing. They will collaborate and work together and solve problems to put together some plushies that are going to a really great end. This isn't just a fun team building experience. These plushies or bears will end up being given to first responders who can then give them to children during a dark moment or a crisis in their life. So your team will have fun, they will get together, collaborate and improve communication and have a great time while giving back to the community and doing good. So if you're looking to have fun and make an impact, the Kindness Workshop is what you're looking for.